Hey Larry, I'm super excited to unveil the fastest and the most powerful FlashArray we've built so far. You've been around for a few generations, you've seen a few of these unveiled. We are calling this FlashArray XL. Are you ready for this?
I'm extra large excited about this one. Let's see what's in the box.
We've got the accessory kit right in the middle and the direct flash modules on the ends.
Cool, let's see what's in the accessory kit.
Yeah, let's open it.
Cool, I wasn't expecting a whole new bezel.
Yeah, Larry, it's built for the new 5-rack unit chassis design, and you've got this cool texture here for better airflow. These are the brand new direct flash modules designed for FlashArray XL.
Let me see one of those. 100% pure flash. Hold on a second. Did you guys put NVRAM in this?
Oh yeah, you're gonna geek out what you find out next.
Excellent. Wow, did you guys get 40 modules in this one?
Yeah, we've engineered some cool things to improve the rack space density pretty heavily on FlashArray XL. You wanna take this thing to the lab and check it out?
For sure, let's go.
Hold on, Larry. This thing's heavy.
Wait till we get more than 5.5 petabytes of data in it. All right, man, we got this thing moved. Tell me about how we squeezed 40 flash modules into the new chassis.
Well, first off, it's a 5-rack unit chassis so that we can deliver that higher performance. But if you remember in FlashArray X, we used to have dedicated space here on the top left for NVRAMs. Well, we've gotten a little smarter about it. We've taken that NVRAM capability and pushed it down into the direct flash modules themselves and calling it direct flash modules with distributed NVRAMs on them.
What about the other modules? Are these the same kind of modules we had in the FlashArray X?
Yeah, absolutely. Beyond the direct flash modules with that NVRAM capability, you're free to pop in other direct flash modules, the NVMe supporting ones as well.
And what about those modules we had with the Intel Optane technology that can reduce latency and improve performance?
We absolutely support the direct memory modules on FlashArray XL to achieve the lowest latencies possible for your applications.
Great, this thing's awesome. All right, Max, so we're looking at the back of the array now, and I can see we've got 2 controllers here, just like we had in the FlashArray X.
FlashArray XL is a dual controller active-active design, and we've taken resiliency to the next level. The controllers talk to each other over the RoCE protocol, and we have 4 power supplies in an N+2 configuration.
What about the 4 power supplies? Why did we go with 4 instead of 2?
First off, this is a 5-rack unit chassis design. We needed that space to deliver the extra performance with the high-line CPUs in the FlashArray XL family, but with that extra space, we could also add more efficient cooling methodology for FlashArray XL.
So with all this cooling, are we going to solve global warming?
Well, not global warming, Larry, but it is way more efficient than some of the alternatives out there. You're going to see 8x more space savings when you get into petabyte scale enterprise environments.
Wow, that's great and super cool. And it looks like we've got a lot of room in the FlashArray XL for host connectivity.
We have 9 PCIe slots in the FlashArray XL for host connectivity. That's almost 32 ports per controller in a fiber channel config. And you can use some of these PCIe slots for direct flash shelf connectivity as well.
Oh, expansion shelves. So there's room for expansion shelves here. And I've got 40 modules in the chassis. And with 2 expansion shelves, how many modules does that get us to?
Yeah, with that total, you can get up to 96 direct flash modules, and that's what takes you to a 5.7 petabyte effective environment.
Wow, that is massive scale.
You bet.
All right, let's get this thing powered up and take it for a spin.
Absolutely, let's do it.